Registration for next term just opened. Let's take a look at the different math pathways we have and where you might go next. One of the math pathways we have is the Career Tech Math pathway. This is used for degrees and certificates at CCC. Typically, if you are completing a degree or certificate in automotive, welding, dental, horticulture, several others, these would be the classes that you'd want to take. You might only need to go to Math 50, but you might need to take our final math class in the Career Tech pathway, Math 80. Be sure to check with an advisor to know whether or not your final class in this pathway is Math 50 or Math 80. Our STEM pathway is used for degrees in science, engineering, chemistry. It's usually also used for transfer to four-year institutions. If you're transferring, you may be finished at Math 111, or potentially if you're studying science, engineering, or chemistry, you're going on to take more math. There are, of course, more math classes in this pathway that aren't listed. If you're currently in calculus, you might be taking our Calculus 2 class next, Math 252. If you're taking Math 252, you might be taking one of our classes above Math 252, which you don't necessarily have to take all of or in this order. If you're in our stats pathway, we have Math 98, Math 105, and Math 243. If you are transferring and you're getting a Associates of Arts for Oregon transfer, if you're taking Math 105, you might be finished at this point. But if you're transferring and studying anything in the social sciences, you may need to take Math 243. 243 is our statistics class. And of course, we do have one more class in this pathway, Math 244. If you aren't sure what to take next, or if you're done with math, or maybe your plans have changed, you're not sure what your major will be, or you've changed your major, or maybe you've changed the school you plan to transfer to. If any of these things are questions you have, you may want to talk to an advisor about what class to take next. We can search on the website for advising to find out information for getting in touch with an advisor. From the CCC website, there are lots of places you can go to find the advising webpage, but you can also search for it directly by clicking on the little search button and typing in advising. Our first result that pops up is the advising page, and this will give you all the information that you need for getting in touch with advising, scheduling an appointment if you need to, or asking any questions via email or phone call. If you're all finished with your math, we're super excited that we had a chance to work with you. But if you're taking more math with us, we're really looking forward to seeing you again next term.